Hi kids! Today we are going to do two farm animals. Well, just one is a farm animal, the another animal it's home animal, cat, cow. Okay? So let's do like a cat. You need to point your feet, put your hands like this with your fingers really open, and put your head down and your shoulders up. Meow, meow. Now let's do like a cat. Like a cow, sorry. Put your head up. Put your bum up. And let's do like a cow. Mm. Mm. Let's do it again. Like a cat. Meow, meow. Like a cow. Mm. Okay, really well. We can do this 5 more times, and then we are going to do a good breath we already know. Do you remember how to breathe? Okay, let's do it. Smell a flower, blow a candle. Let's do it again. Smell a flower, blow a candle, like in your birthday. Very good. One more time. Smell a flower, blow a candle. Really well, kids. I really need you and I want to see you in there, okay? Bye, kids. I will send you a big hug.